sales contracts have been enhanced to include fees and charge schedules in 2024 R1. So you might remember that the purchase contracts have had fees and charges schedules in them since the very original release of leverage. Now we have added that ability to do non-quality related fees and charges schedules and to the sales contract. So things like commissions or freight, now you can add those schedules and fees to the contract itself. So let's take a look at what that might look at like. So I'm going to click on the menu here for commodity accounting, and we're going to go to sales contracts, and we're going to take a look at a sales contract that has a fee tied to it. So we'll pick this one here, number 32, and we can see now we've added this new data field here called the fee schedule. And similar to inbound scale tickets, the fee schedule is used for non-quality related discounts, fees, or premiums. Oftentimes we'll see like a commission or something like that, or a weighing fee that might be calculated and wanted to be deducted from the sales invoice. So let's just take a look at this fee schedule here. I'm going to zoom down on it, and we can see this schedule has a 1.5% commission fee and a weighing charge. And let's look at that weighing charge and see how that's calculated. I'm just going to view details there, and oh, that weighing charge is $20 a load here. So what we want to do here when we add this fee schedule to the contract, then any tickets that are applied to this, when we go to invoice them, we'll include a 1.5% discount for a commission and a $20 weighing fee. So let's just take a look at how that works. So that's the contract, that's the data field that's been added to that. I have some scale tickets already keyed in the system. So let's take a look at those scale tickets. And I have a couple of them keyed in here, ready to be applied. So I'm going to go apply those scale tickets through the outbound ticket application. And we were going to search for those tickets, and there it is. We can apply that ticket to that contract and hit apply. Actually, yeah, we'll hit apply. And now those tickets are applied to the contract. So let's see when we go to invoice that, those tickets now, how those fees and charges show up. So we're going to go to ship not invoiced or bulk ship not invoicing. Both things work the same way. We'll just go to ship not invoiced, and we can see this ADM. Now we have this distillers here. We have 2 tickets here to be invoiced. So I'm going to click on that, and we're going to see the details through the view ticket scale ticket details here. You can see there's 2 tickets here that are applied to that contract. You can see the contract down below that they're applied to. And then let's look in the charges tab. The charges show automatically now the commission and the fee. Now, we can delete these on the fly if we'd like to. We can edit them. We can add new ones here. But these defaulted based on the fee schedule that was attached to the contract for those scale tickets. So that's the new feature that we have added into the sales contract for those fees. Now, one of the questions might be, oh, how do we keep from forgetting to add that fee schedule on each and every contract? So we have enhanced the setup so that the fee schedule can default to the sales contract. So we do that by going to commodity accounting, risk management, sales fee defaults. And we can see here, we have a 2024 default schedule, and it default, and I just dropped that down so we can see that this 2024 feed called the fee schedule 2024 DDGs is defaulting to all of the locations for my company. Now, if I wanted to have a different default fee schedule, again, this is on the outbound sales contracts to default. I can go ahead and add a row here and says, oh, you know what? Except for branch Barnesville, maybe gets a different fee schedule, and maybe that gets this one. So now what this means is that for Barnesville, they'll get this default fee schedule on their sales contracts, this 2022 corn, but everybody else is going to get the 2024 DDGS default discount schedule. Again, a very similar type of setup that you've seen in the purchase contract in the past. So the sales contracts in 2024 R1 have been enhanced with the discount, fees, charges, and premiums if you want them to be a plus, an addition. And the default has been added to the setup screens here to quickly, easily, and never forget to set those defaults, and you'll never miss them on your sales contracts.